Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Town Country minivan, and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to Town Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. Okay, so to start you'll want to lift the front hood, and the engine air filter is located right here under this cover. Now to replace it you don't need any kind of tools, you just have a couple of these metal clips to release and you'll be able to access it. You'll have one here, so just want to pull this clip up to unlock it. See, just like this. You'll have one here on this side, same thing, and you will have one just down here. You'll have to squeeze your hand inside and unclip it, and once you do that you'll be able to lift up the airbox cover. Okay, just like that. And here is your air filter. You can just pull it out and install the new one the same way and install those clips back, and that's it. No tools necessary. Also, just to quickly show you, when you're installing these clips back, first you'll want to insert the upper part of the clip right here, and then you will just press down. It will click, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.